Hey guys, so to reset your Philips Home Theater system, what you need to do is you need to press Home, then you just need to select Setup, and then you need to press OK. Then you just have to select Preferences, Default, and then press OK. And you just then follow the on-screen message to restore the default settings. And your home theater is reset to its default settings, except for password, parental control, and disk lock settings. So that's pretty much it, and I just want to make this quick video for you on how you can reset Philips Home Theater system. And I hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.